Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your first time stopping in. Be sure to subscribe. You got any questions, leave it in the comments. I am on my way to school right now. And this looks kind of serious. This shit right here. This shit right here. This shit is serious. I'm about to drive into like a wall. Rain. Look over this way. There's blue clouds where I live. And then you hit that dark shit. And then it's just rainy. But hopefully this rain shit stays in the Carolina side. Stays away from Virginia. Because hopefully tonight when I get home from school, start building the bottom portion of the wall for the building. So that I can work on getting that moved over. We get the building started. Oh shit. Rain days make me sleepy. But yeah, when I get home from school tonight, I'm gonna start getting the walls laid up, laid out, laid down, and this and that, and those and these, and little these, and little red moving service. He's throwing up all kinds of shit at me. Maybe I have to turn my windshield wipers on. But yeah, hopefully that's not the right one. This is the one I want. Oh god. Let's go fast. Pass the truck. Oh, we did it! Smoky! But, yeah, like I said, tonight when I get home, I'm going to be laying the walls out if it is not raining. I got a bit yesterday for the bolts that are going to the concrete. I got some of those, red something. The anchor bolts to tighten them up, they swell up in the concrete. That's what I'm going to be mounting the walls to the concrete slab with. Once that is done, I'll start taking the other shed apart to move it over and start putting it back together on top of the wall that I'm building. But I will holler at you guys a little bit. Alright guys, so class was kind of a little short today. I'm back in VA. And we have clear skies. So that means I'm gonna work on the building. Yeah. But yeah, as soon as we get to the house, I'm gonna go out there with my stanchion cords and my little, what do they call those things? The little A-frame things. I can't even think of the name. A board holder thingy-majobs, jig jams, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna go out there with my lights and my saws and my drills, and we gonna go to work. We're gonna put in work. Alright guys, so as you can see playing in the background right now, woo, I tried to drill the holes into the concrete with the Milwaukee cordless hammer drill thing. It did not like it. It got stupid hot on like the third hole, and I really didn't want to drill anymore with it because I was afraid I was going to burn it up. So tomorrow I'm going to go get a hammer drill, hopefully from Chad, or I'll find somebody has one, and get the holes drilled so that I can finish building the walls and putting those up. And I will get you some more updates tomorrow. Tools just played against me tonight. But on side note, I know you can't see it, junkyard dog, because it is the new project, or one of the new projects. The second project second of the two. We have 2 more coming. Hopefully, I'll let you guys know a little bit more towards the end of the month how one of them is going, and the other one will start as soon as the shop is finished. Got big plans for the truck. Crazy plans. Ridiculous plans. Insane plans. Stupid plans. Whatever you want to call them. We're pretty much going to turn the truck. I can't even tell you right now. Just be sure to hit subscribe, smash that notification bell, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I'll let you guys in the next video. I'm out.